In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants options in Bigcommerce. Variants are what let shoppers choose things like size and color on a single product page, so they don't have to browse separate listings. Done right, they make your store easier to navigate and help customers find exactly what they want. Start by opening your Bigcommerce control panel and heading to your products. If you're updating an existing item, go to Products and then View to find it. If you're creating something new, choose Products and then Add Product. In the product editor, fill in the essentials first. Give the item a clear name, write a concise description that answers common questions, set your price, and add clean, well-lit images. Solid basics here make your variants feel like a seamless part of the product instead of an afterthought. Next, scroll down in the product editor until you reach the variations section. This is where you'll build the choices your shoppers see. If you're starting fresh, click the button labeled Add Variant option. If you've already set up options before and need to change them, use Configure options to adjust what's there. Now create each option your customers will choose from, one at a time. Think in terms of types, like size or color. Give the option a clear name. Size or color are perfect because shoppers instantly recognize them. Then choose how you want that option to appear on the page. A drop-down keeps the design compact and tidy. Swatches are ideal for colors or patterns and can feel more visual and engaging. Radio buttons or a rectangle list make every choice visible at once, which can be helpful when there are only a few values and you want quick taps. Add the values for the option you're working on. For size, you might enter small, medium, and large. For color, add red, blue, and black. Type each value and press Enter or click, plus add another value to keep going. As you add them, keep the order logical. Small to large for sizes, light to dark for colors, so scanning is effortless. Consistent capitalization and short, clear labels help too. Repeat this for each option type you need, keeping names simple and the display style aligned with how customers make their choices. That's it. Your product now offers selectable variants, presented in a way that's easy for shoppers to understand and use.